trying snacks. Hi guys, today we are going to be doing another international snack video. Today we got this box.
That's tic-tac-toe on the back.
Oh, cool. In Spanish too.
Nice.
From Peru. We're going to try Peruvian snacks. Now, what do I know about Peru? Machu Picchu's in Peru, on top of a mountain. And I'm pretty sure on the border of Peru is a lake called Lake Titicaca. That's what I know about Peru. Oh, and they have llamas.
Show the back.
Oh, on the back it says, "Oh hey, let's play." And it got tic-tac-toe. This company has boxes from Peru, which is the one we're trying, Venezuela, Colombia, Brazil, and Argentina. I might be hitting this company up for some more South American food.
All right.
All right, let's get into here.
May I cut it?
There you go.
How do you open it?
Away from your soup.
I like the box. It's got Kitty on it. All right. Let's open it. Let's open it. Oh, oh, oh. Mom, I got to open it for the camera because look at this. Take things out. Got this right here and this right there. Got a little Peru flag. A business card, which I'm going to keep. Check that out, guys. Check them out. All right, Peru. Peru is a central western section of South America. Peru is derived from a Quechua Indian word. Peru means land of abundance. It has 3 official languages: Spanish, Quechua, and Aymara. There are Rainbow Mountains in Peru. The Rainbow Mountain, or Mountain of 7 Colors as it's called by the locals. One of the main indigenous groups of Peru are the Incas. The Inca citadel of Machu Picchu is its top tourist spot. Peru is home to many exotic animals: pumas, monkeys, Peruvian jaguar. The national animal is the vicuna. Vicunas are related to llamas and camels. You can also see the Nazca lions in Peru. All right, cool stuff. I gave you guys a little bit of a thing. First thing on top is a Chicha Morta. You're going to try this because it looks like it's grape flavored. Mom, you can have the other grape flavored thing. Or hold on to it. It might be a hard candy.
Anyhow. Looks like a cough drop.
It looks like it's grape.
It's grape.
Yeah, I don't like grape. I'm not even going to try
It
it.
smells like gum.
Mm-hmm.
Like bubblegum. Tastes like gum too.
All right, Mom, since you don't want to put it in your mouth, what's up?
I licked it.
There's a lot of multiple different flavors going on. It isn't exactly grape,
Tastes like bubblegum too.
but
All right, sorry about that quick interruption. The ice cream man pulled up, and a bunch of kids were out there making noise, and our dog was telling them they don't have the right to exist. So, we're getting back to the video. All right, I want to try whatever this is. It's called Sublime. Sublime Classico, chocolate con leche con mani. So, milk chocolate with something. We'll find out.
So that is a big bar chocolate.
Yes. That I can't seem to open properly. Looks like peanuts. Nope. Milk chocolate with peanuts was a Spanish version of a Mr. Goodbar. Or a Peruvian version of Mr. Goodbar. That's pretty good. I go. I agree with Quinn. Hey, I mean, you can't go wrong with chocolate and peanuts. All right, Quinn, pick one. All right, we are trying Field Coronita. They look like chocolate cookies.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Thank you.
They look like butter wheel cookies with chocolate cream.
Mm-hmm.
All right, it's okay. Not bad. Not good. Kind of a boring cookie.
Yep.
I'm gonna give this one like a 6, 6.5.
5.5.
5.5. Mom?
6.
All right. Mom, you want to pick one?
No.
Oh. I'm gonna go with Gulo.
Looks like a total.
Chocolate cone looks like a. So it's another milk chocolate bar by a Nestle
Wait, is it?
company.
I feel it. Looks like a Tillamook. Along and oh, it is cut Tillamook.
You mean Toblerone? Here,
Tillamook.
it's pure milk chocolate, I think. No, it's Nestle milk chocolate. Not as good with chocolate and peanuts, so 7 and 8. This is getting a 7.
7.
Mm-hmm.
All right, fun.
Real simple.
Yep. All right. 10 Tacion. So this is like an orange wafer cookie. It says Spore Aranya, which means orange, so I think it's an orange wafer cookie. Alright. Yeah, that's an orange wafer. That was really good. I like this. Tastes exactly like the orange frosting that you would get in the orange danishes, like the Pillsbury orange danishes.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna give this one an 8, 8.5.
Mm-hmm.
They're good.
I'll say 9.
I'm gonna put Valerie to work with this one. I'm not trying it though. I don't know. Maybe I will. It's Chicha Morta purple corn drink mix.
Yeah.
It makes 2.5 liters,
Liters?
and it's entirely in Spanish. Dissolve envelope in 2.5 liters of water. Add 1 3/4 cups of sugar. So it's Kool-Aid. It's purple corn Kool-Aid. We will make this and have to come back to it later because we're gonna get it chilled and all that good stuff. Mom, we'll do it later, and we'll just edit our reaction to it later, maybe with dinner or something. Go ahead and pick something. All right, we got orange cookies. They're it says Chomp. It's got a gator on it, and it says, yeah, these are orange.
Cute.
I wonder if it's gonna be like an orange-filled cream, like an Oreo type thing. Nope.
And I like this
So it's
grape corn guy too.
kind of like the wafer, but
Yeah.
a cookie form. Not as orange as the wafer.
Tastes more zesty.
I'm going to give this one like a 7. It's not quite as good as that other one.
No.
So what I'm getting out of this is Peruvians like citrus. Alright. These are vanilla. These look like Nilla wafers. Kind of. I didn't even try to pronounce this one. I think you guys are getting tired of me mispronouncing every language. Or comment down below if you like watching me make a fool of myself trying to pronounce foreign language words. Yeah, it tastes like vanilla wafers. Valerie?
Yeah.
Yeah, just like vanilla wafers. So, these are getting a 7. They're pretty good. Not bad. Alright, fun. Sit up. Alright. This one is chocolate cookies from Chomp.
Ooh.
There we go. Chocolate cookie. You're blocking the camera. There you go. Chocolate cookie. Crumble.
6.
No. I'm playing
3/4 cups.
5.5. Like right in the middle of the whatever. Nothing special.
6 for me.
Alright. We are going to try more cookies, it looks like. Casino cookies. Sabor Cocoa. Okay.
Whoa.
That is dark, dark purple. She's making this off camera, the
Whoa!
stuff.
It smells like bubblegum.
Whoa, smell that.
Yep. This is weird. I don't know what purple corn Kool-Aid that looks like grape but smells like bubblegum is going to taste like.
You have to try it.
But Valerie right now is measuring out some sugar to make this. Anyway, casino cookies.
Alright, Quinn.
You're blocking the camera again. Okay, that bubblegum smell is overpowering my taste buds right now to taste this cookie. Quinn, get your sleeve out of the purple. Alright, so these casino cookies are okay. They taste kind of funny.
I like it.
What do you think, Quinn? 6?
6. That bubblegum flavor smells strong.
Alright, I guess we're trying that Kool-Aid now.
Yep.
Don't pour a waffle on me, please.
Please don't taste like grape.
Please don't taste like bubblegum.
Alright, cheers. What the hell is that? I don't like it.
I don't know how I feel about that.
Yeah, I don't like that. That's like a 3.
Wow.
I'll say 4.
I don't
It
like
tasted like the candy, the grape candy too. It's got a lot of different flavors going on.
Yeah, I don't like that. I don't like that at all.
It's not grape, but
3.
it's not bubblegum, and
like
it's got a licorice taste to it too.
Alright, we're going to try these vanilla wafers to get that taste out of my mouth.
What are we trying to do 2 later?
Yeah, I've changed that 3 to like a 2. I don't like it.
Uh-huh.
What about you, Quan?
I'll give it a 3, 4.
3, 4? Well,
3.
oh, the vanilla wafers are all like crumbled. Somebody dropped the box.
No.
Alright, vanilla wafer. That's good. I bet you like it's going to get a higher score just because it's getting that taste out of my mouth from the other stuff. I'm going to give it 7.5.
8. 7. Half.
Tastes like the orange one, but vanilla.
Alright. These look like they're going to be like strawberry, maybe? Sabor fresca? I'm not sure. I don't speak very much Spanish. I know just enough to like pick a fight, order off a menu, and ask where the restroom is. I wouldn't say weird stuff. Ooh.
I know, say head.
There you go. So it's got frosting
Smells
on the
like
bottom.
A little drizzle on
Yeah.
top. Cute.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
I like that.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know how much I like it though.
7.5.
Yeah, I'm gonna give it like a high 7.5, almost an 8. Alright. Some more Nestle's.
Yes.
This one is Nestle Borrachos.
Yeah.
That's the last of the box.
This has got a sabor vanilla vendas con pasta sabor chocolate. So it's like a vanilla cookie with chocolate, from what very little Spanish I know.
Wonder if it's like the strawberries. No, they're thinner.
Here. Oh wait, I think it's supposed to be a sandwich.
Yeah.
Yes.
Sorry, you only got half one. Okay,
Yep, good.
not good. That's a solid 8.
Real plain with the
Yep.
snacks. They're not real flavorful. They're not really... Packaging's great.
So, what do you guys think of snacks from Peru? Peruvian snacks?
Good.
Good?
They like the citrus.
Yeah, the citrus stuff, the orange flavor stuff,
Really good.
orangey, really yummy.
Why are you mixing all the snacks?
It's because they're going in one spot.
But what is country
Here's a
like
better
orange?
question: why are you doing it right in front of the camera?
Sorry. Clean up.
All right, guys. Valerie is mixing all the snacks into one box or
Does that
bag.
taste weird?
I don't know why, but
Separate bags?
yeah. We hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share, and subscribe.